sefyllfa ddawol. Ond mae Aberystwyth dwy'n y bel yn ôl! Jamie Veal! Taro'n o ergyd ganddo fo, yn taro'r bar. A mae'r ymwelwyr wedi dechrau yn wirioneddol hyderus o fan hyn. Ond eto mae'n cael ei lansio nôl i mewn a cael ei ffenio ymlaen. A bron i Aber fynd ar y blaen. Lee Jenkins oedd yno. Fel oedd hi'n edrych, fo bod wedi gyrraedd cefn y rhwyd. Ni gafodd ei chlirio, oedd hi ar y lein. Mae fo Danny Holmes unwaith eto. Holmes yn lansio'r bel i mewn i cwrs Cosby at Insel. A'i beniad o yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y lein tro yma. Oedd hi Jamie Insel heb sgorio ers mis Hydref. A ddoth o'n agos iawn o fanna. Morris, taro'r bel ymlaen. I gyfeiriad Harrison yn mynd i lawr. A mi oedd hi'n drosedd, a mae'n gicio'r smotyn. Wel, di Aberystwyth yn methu coelio'r peth. Ond mi oedd hi'n edrych fel bod y drosedd wreiddiol wedi dechrau leia tu allan i'r cwrs Cosby. Cael y Morris i gymryd y gic. A gyfeigiau mynd i fynd. Mae'r tîm cartre ar y blaen. Morris yn gyrru sabre'r ffordd anghywir. A mainc Aberystwyth yn dal yn gandryll. A Lee Jenkins yn carlamu mewn i'r cwrs Cosby. Yna 3 dyn yn y canol. A Cameron Allen, yr eilydd, oedd un o heini. Ond ddim cweit yn gallu canfod cefn yr hwyd.
You know, I think it was a really good game. You know, there's plenty of chances for us in that game, but it comes to the turning point of the penalty where the assistant referee's given it, and for him to give it like that, he's got to be 100% certain. And you know, even when we saw it, we thought it was outside the box. We've just watched it again back on Geiriau, and it's outside the box. But yeah, he's given a penalty, and you know they're game changers, and it's absolutely ridiculous. And I'm absolutely raging. I've been to knock his door, and he said he'll see me after. So we'll wait and see what he's got to say about it. At this part of the season, you know, to come up to Connah's Quay and get a point is huge, but then to walk away with nothing here, especially with the performance that we've put in there, it's a disgrace.
First 20-30 minutes we were miles away. You know, Aberystwyth started really well, and you know, and we just weren't at the races. You know, and we got in at half time, and the lads knew about that, and the lads talked about it themselves, and we've got a fantastic experienced group, but they knew in no way, shape or form that first 20-30 minutes wasn't anywhere near good enough from everybody. You know, including myself and the staff, we just weren't at it. We weren't good enough the first 20-30 minutes. But the group of players we've got, they come out the second half, and I thought we dominate the second half from the first whistle to the last. You know, the last 5 minutes, obviously they had a few opportunities, free kicks, etc., etc. But when you're getting beat with 5, 6, 7 minutes left, you've got nothing to lose, so you throw your kitchen sink in it. So expect the last 5-10 minutes at 1-0 for them to put under pressure. But we dealt with that no problem at all. And we got through the game, and like I say, I think the second half performance would deserve the victory.